Okay, so with the growing ever increasing cyber incidents, the role of IT leaders has increased as they are the core strength of any organizations who take initiatives to protect their organizations from any challenge, including cyber threats. Today, we will honor the top performing IT leaders for their exceptional initiatives for cybersecurity. Winners for DT Cybersecurity Leadership Awards 2021. And the first winner is Mr. Yogesh Kumar Bansal, CISO, VP IT, Avas Finance.
I would like to thank the jury for giving this prestigious award. I feel proud to be part of the Avas Financial team. Today, cybersecurity is the need of ours, and everyone should follow the industry best practices when it comes to safety. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
And the next winner is Mr. Vishal Madan, EVP and CTO, Capital Small Finance Bank Limited.
Hi, I'm Vishal Madan, Executive Vice President and CTO for Capital Small Finance Bank. I'm really honored to receive the DT Cybersecurity Leadership 2021 award today. I would like to thank the jury members, the Digital Terminal team, and the sponsors for the event. I would also like to thank my seniors and my colleagues at Capital Bank for their faith and support. I would also like to thank my family and friends. I am what I am today because of my family. Thank you. This award will really keep me motivated for more in the future.
And the next winner is Mr. Satyavat Mishra, AVP, Corporate IT, Godrej Industries. And the next winner is Mr. Ankit Jain, Deputy General Manager, Podar Education Network.
I am extremely gratified for this award. Firstly, I want to appreciate the member of jury for choosing our organization Podar Education Network for this prestigious DT Cybersecurity Leadership Award 2020-21 and showing great respect for us with this prize. Thank you.
And the next winner is Mr. Atul Bansal, Group CIO, Gateway Rail Freight.
Hi, I want to thank the jury members for selecting me for DT Cybersecurity Leadership Award 2021. I want to thank my team for their sincere effort and dedication. Thank you.
The next name is Mr. Satish Kamath, Assistant Director, IT, Manipal Education. And the next winner is Mr. Anil Kulkarni, AGM, Information Technology, Manipal Global.
Thank you very much for selecting me to receive the DT Cybersecurity Leadership Awards 2021. And I'm pleased to receive the same on behalf of my team at Manipal Global Education. This is clearly one of the most significant events of my professional career and a tremendous honor to receive the same. This recognition is another example of the great support that DT has been giving to security professionals throughout the past. A view of the past winners with their excellent track record and contribution in cybersecurity domain reveals the significance of this award. However, there is still much to learn for all of us in this ever-changing security scenario. But with continued support and encouragement from DT's partner institutions, I'm sure we can all accomplish a great deal in securing our businesses. Thanks again to all participants, jurors, and DT. Cheers.
And the next name is Dr. Sanjay Kumar Sharma, Director, Computer Center and Campus Network Facility, University of Hyderabad.
Hi, I am very thankful and obliged to receive the DT Cybersecurity Leadership Award 2021 on behalf of my organization, University of Hyderabad, and my entire IT team. I am very thankful to my organization and my team for supporting me. It feels great to be recognized as one of the winners for this award. Thank you. This will definitely motivate us to do better in the future as well. Thank you.
And the next name is Mr. Akela Manga Sridhar, Program Manager, Global Enterprise Security, DPO, Yash Technologies.
Hello all, my name is Akela Manga Sridhar. I'm leading the Global Enterprise Security of Yash Technologies. I'm in the role of DPO. Thank you so much for considering me for the DT Cybersecurity Leadership Awards on behalf of Yes Technologies. It's a great inspiration for all of us here, and my deepest gratitude to the LIT for considering for this leadership award. Thank you so much.
And moving to next award, that is for Mr. Gopal Ghosh, AGM IT Lead, Vikram Solar Limited. And the next name is Mr. Manik Paul, Chief Information Officer, Century Plywoods, India Limited.
It was a pleasure to participate Digital Terminal Leadership Awards 2021. The year began with lockdown, and the biggest challenge was to bring the workforce to a virtual, secure, collaborative working. It was also expected that the end users are able to access all applications outside office premises. In a short notice, the entire IT team worked relentlessly and to establish the secure access of IT applications from outside office premises. Later, as a part of strategy, most of the applications were moved to secure cloud infrastructure. In the end, IT played a key role in business transformation.
And the next award is for Mr. Gunjan Goyal, GM Information and Business Process Group, Afcons Infrastructure Limited. And the next name to bag this prestigious award is for Mr. Avadut Bhogulkar, Head of Networks and Security, Reliance. And the next winner is Mr. Shyam Kumar Shinde, Deputy General Manager, BPCL. To bag this award, we have a next name, that is Mr. Krishna Kamath, Head IT, Shapoorji Pallonji. And the next winner is Nimai C. Sahu, GM IT Infra, Nalco. And the next award is Mr. Shailendra Chaudhary, VP Head IT, Intratech Buildings. The next name for this prestigious award is for Mr. Gilbert Doss, Senior Information Technology Security Analyst, Quartesian. And the final name we have for Mr. Bharat Iyengar, Vice President, ICT and Compliance, Value Momentum. On behalf of our publication, I would like to congratulate all winners for this prestigious awards. You will receive trophy and a gift from Sophos shortly at your address you provided while filing the nomination. Before we conclude this final session of DT Conclave 2021, I would like to request Ravi to please share his final message and vote of thanks to our live audiences.
Well, Raju, I'm really overwhelmed for being part of this discussion. I really enjoyed being part of DT Conclave 2021. I hope I have served the purpose and contributed towards the success of this event. I'm always open to any advice, support required from Sophos side. You can please reach out to DT for any type of resource or knowledge required for the cybersecurity. We will try to address that concern as well. I would like to thank DT and the entire team who worked really very hard to bring this virtual event to empower Indian business and help them in digital transformation journey. And most important, thank you all who had joined us live. Thank you very much.
So The DT Conclave 2021 will surely benefit the Indian businesses and enable them to strengthen their security infrastructure. The insights provided at this platform were truly commendable, and it exemplifies your reach and proficiency in the field of cybersecurity. Ravi, thank you so much for joining us today and making this event successful. I would like to thank Sophos for supporting this event and always being part of all such initiatives by DT. I would also like to thank our platform partner Airmeet, and last but not the least, thank you so much for our entire viewers who are watching us across Airmeet, Facebook and YouTube. Hope to see you again digitally in our next event. Till then, please take care of you and your family. Goodbye and take care.